how to change your Kraken password online. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your kraken.com, or you can use the application version of it. Either way, make sure that you are logged into your account. You can tap on the menu bar on the top right corner right here, and then from your menu bar you'll actually be able to get your login option right here. Tap on login, add in all of the credentials of your account, log into your account from there, right? So after logging into your account, you can now tap on the profile name on the upper right corner and then select security. And after selecting security, you can select password and then enter your current password. Then you can enter and confirm your new password. Then you can tap on update password, and just like that, you'll successfully be able to change your Kraken password online. So in here you'll be able to do it like that. But in case if you have forgotten, like completely forgotten the password of your account, then what you can do is simply tap on the option forgot password on your login page of Kraken, right? So what you're going to do is simply tap on forgot password, add in your email address, then you can tap on send email. You'll actually be able to get a link through Kraken, and then what you're going to do is simply open that link. Then from that link you'll need to follow all of the given on-screen prompt, and then you will actually be able to successfully change your Kraken password online. So yeah, that's all you need to do. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, or else this will be it for this video.